To hide a worksheet in Excel, you just need to come down to the bottom left corner and with the mouse, right-click on the worksheet's name and then press Hide in the pop-up menu. Now, if you only have one worksheet for your spreadsheet, you can't actually hide it, so we need to have more than one worksheet. So let's just get rid of that message. We'll come down here and click on the plus button to add a few more worksheets. Okay, now when we right-click on Sheet 1 and select Hide, that worksheet is now hidden. To unhide that worksheet, we just right-click on any other worksheet name and select Unhide. And in the pop-up box, just select the sheet you want and then press on OK. And as you can see, Sheet 1 is now unhidden. So that's how you hide and unhide one worksheet, but what about multiple worksheets? Well, what you need to do is select each worksheet by left-clicking with the mouse. To select another one, hold down the Control key, select the next one, and as you can see, they're both selected. Then you can let go of the Control key, right-click with the mouse on any one of those selected sheets, select Hide in the pop-up menu, and now all of those sheets are hidden. To unhide multiple worksheets, just right-click on the name of any of the remaining sheets, select Unhide, select the first worksheet, press and hold the Control key, select the next worksheet, and then select all other worksheets that you want to unhide. And when you're done, you can let go of the Control key, press OK, and all of the worksheets that you selected will be unhidden. So that's how you can hide and unhide one worksheet or multiple worksheets in Excel.